Hi friends, today let's talk about the ACID in transaction. ACID, what does it mean? A stands for atomicity. So for the atomicity, it means your transaction can't be break into smaller pieces. Either this transaction will be committed or it will be aborted. Any user won't be able to see the half-finished result. Then let's talk about the C. Letter C stands for consistency. So consistency, we can use an example to explain it. For example, you are developing a financial systems. Then for each of your clients, you will have the credit and the debit. For the credit and the debit, there are the balance in the system. If it is consistent, then for any client stored in your system, the balance should be always consistent. So if there is a transaction to debit some money, and then the balance should remain correctly for this user. For sure, it can't prevent human errors, but it reflects the consistency of your system's behavior. Okay, let's talk about the letter I. So letter I stands for isolation. What does it mean? Actually, we talked about atomicity. So it means it can't break the operation into small pieces. Well, what can't be guaranteed by the atomicity is that if you have two users are reading or write the same data, atomicity won't guarantee this. So we need isolation. The isolation tried to solve is to make sure that for any transactions, they're separated. So if you have one client is manipulated this part of data, then other clients can't try to touch it. You can imagine there is a lock somehow to make sure this is an isolated transaction. Then for the application overview, you see the atomicity and isolation guaranteed the consistency of the application. That's the relationship. Finally, let's talk about the durability. This is the meaning of letter D. So for durability, it means your systems will commit the transaction and will store your data once it's committed. For example, I'm writing a file and save it in the Windows 10, for example, the systems. Then I won't be worried that next time when I open this file, my data will disappear because the Windows 10 operational systems guaranteed the durability. It's the same for the database. If you commit any transactions to your database, if it's guaranteed by the durability, then it means any transactions will be committed and then store your data forever. It won't forget your data. That's a meaning. Okay, so we talked about the meaning of ACID. Let's repeat again. A stands for atomicity. C stands for consistency. I stands for isolation. And D stands for the durability. Hope it helps you. See you next time.